basically what we did was we took the temp sensor out right here. So you got your EGR valve here. So this is exhaust gas recirculation. So when the motor's running, this opens up. So it's pulling exhaust gas off the motor. It's sending it back around and back into the intake. So what we're going to be doing right now is we're going to be putting the solution through here. So it's going to go through the intake, hit all the valves. It's going to go through the grid heater. It's going to go through the EGR, through the EGR cooler, back out the exhaust and through the turbo. So they've separated the exhaust right down there just before we go into the deep. So we're gonna do the intake and exhaust, kind of alternate back and forth, make sure we get it all coated really good inside of there. And then the last one we'll do will be the rinse solution right here, which kind of just neutralizes everything.
Running free of the motor. And I'm worried about getting stuck under the exhaust valve and intake valve. So if it's softening up, obviously it's going to go out.
Yeah. And so what's kind of cool too is, you know, we're going to be running a couple gallons of liquid through here in a vaporized form. School bus company. They got 100,000 school buses on the road. They wrote us a letter and said that it was, I think it was 10 turbos in 1 month. They were all slated for replacement, including labor and materials for that. And they ran this service through there. Every single one of the turbos freed up. The VGTs freed up. They started running better, and the school bus driver said running better than they've run in years. So they're using our product every other oil change to do this service.
All right, here comes the proof, right?
Right. It almost doubled. Right now it's at about 5,200. Maybe around 5.
And what was it before?
3.
Wow.
About 2.8 to 3. Now we're at like 4.8 to 5. So
and that's the turbo?
Yeah, and that's just an idle.
5,000. From 2,900 to 5,000 at an idle.
I was gonna say almost doubled, yeah.
Imagine what the labor would cost you guys to take that turbo out, clean all those fins, clean all the VGT out, and put it back in again. Not to mention all the sensors we just did, the intake, everything.
I was skeptical at first, and the proof's in the pudding. We definitely saw the cleanup. We saw after 2,900 on the turbo speed in the beginning. We got finished up 5 or a little bit over 5,000 RPM, almost doubled, which is going to be immense performance and fuel mileage. So I'm a player. I've been leery of this type of product, but there's no doubt in my mind this will work for us.